No presentations, the demo. Hi, everyone. Our next speaker is a software engineer turned YouTuber. Her channel, Estefannie Explains It All, she makes everything from automatic coffee presses to this incredible Daft Punk helmet that she's going to show us today. So please welcome to the Hackaday Supercon stage, Estefannie.
Hi, everybody. So, 10 minutes, let's go. I think I'm going to talk 5 minutes on how I made the helmet, and then 5 minutes we'll talk about the electronics. I'll try to do that. So, back in April, I dreamt about having my Daft Punk helmet, and I had no idea how to do it. So, I got a 3D printer and started printing. So, I 3D printed the entire helmet, except for well, actually the entire helmet. And I used this portion of the helmet as a mold, and I vacuum formed the visor. Is it too dark? Oh, you can see it cracked on the plane. But I'll be able to fix that later at home. It's okay. So everything is 3D printed. I used Bondo, the stuff for the cars, and I sanded it a lot for weeks and weeks to make it very smooth and shiny like I wanted. These are just a bunch of cables, just like the Daft Punk helmet. And that's it, I think. Yeah, that's for the helmet. That's less than 5 minutes. Great. Okay, good timing here. So for the electronics, here, there's a lot of hot glue. Let me turn it on. Okay, so I used a Dragon board, and I flashed Debian into it so I could have a full Linux computer. And I used a mezzanine board. That's what, it's basically an Arduino that interfaces with the Dragon board. What else did I do? Okay, so there's a Python script. Oh, it's on. Actually, I should show that, right? Let's demo it. So there's a few different things that this helmet does. I have a microphone, and it picks up the frequency, the actual frequency, and it changes colors, and it lights up. And I also have some pre-programmed patterns. Oh, yeah. I just glued that this morning, so I don't know where I put the font. Okay. So yeah, I have some pre-programmed rainbow patterns that cycle through. I have the microphone function, and then this week, because of the title of this talk, inspired me. I didn't write it. Someone from Hackaday wrote it for me, and I loved it. It said, Daft Punk is playing in my helmet. And I was like, I should have put music in it. So I added music to it. Here's my phone. So I'm hosting a site in the Dragon board. Oh, yeah. Sorry. And, here. That's part of it, too. So I wrote, this are my notifications. Hold on. Okay. I'm hosting a site on the Dragon board, and when I put in the same network, I can change the color, and then I can play sounds or the songs. I just need to put in the right mode here. Yep. So I have a color picker. Oh, well. I can pick any color. And so let's say I want it to be purple. And I just set the color, and it changes. So now I can do it from my phone. And if I were to let you get on my hotspot, you would too. But I thought about it, and I was like, maybe not. And yeah, let me turn on the speaker. I was trying to save battery before the talk, sorry. I am prepared, but saving battery is important too. Here, yeah. And I can play Daft Punk's music. Here, It's inside the helmet. I can also change the songs. There's a next button. Yeah. And I can wear it too. I think I'm probably one of the few people who can custom made, right? And I can have the microphone and the speaker running at the same time, so it'll pick up the music. Wait, yeah. That is the microphone, which is hanging somewhere in here with the speaker. But yeah. Wait. Yeah. And I can just put it on. Yeah. Thank you. That's all I got. Thank you. Oh, thank you. It's all on GitHub. Yes, I put it all on GitHub, and you can follow the instructions of how I made everything on YouTube.